Whether you're browsing everyday tasks or tackling business operation, a laptop from our business and productivity lineup would fulfill your needs. The all-new Prestige 13 EVO is incredibly light with a gorgeous and modern look. It weighs less than 1 kilogram. This is the lightest laptop in the MSI lineup. Packed with a long-lasting battery, it is the best companion for a long day of meetings or traveling around. You can easily stow it away in your bag and carry on. If you want something lightweight but wish for a bigger screen, the Prestige 16 Studio is right for you. Equipped with NVIDIA RTX 40 graphics, this device packs remarkable performance. We also have the EVO version, the Prestige 16 EVO. It is equipped with the Intel Xe graphics and the stuff baked into the Intel chipset, making it a wonderful laptop with great power and long-lasting battery life. Color up your life. We introduce more beautiful colors on the Prestige and Modern series. With 4 colors on the Modern series and 3 on the Prestige, the laptops are never dull. These colorful and charming laptops give vibrant energy to your life.
Hi there, this is Lucky. MSI provides high-end laptops. They are not only for gamers, but also for creators. It is why MSI has developed the most complete creator product lineup that will fulfill the different needs in the creator ecosystem.
All the MSI content creation laptops have been upgraded to the latest graphics and processors, so they come with even more robust power. Today, we're also introducing a new member of the Creator laptop, the Creator Z17 at Check Studio. The vapor chamber cooling solution maximizes the cooling area and fully releases the power from NVIDIA RTX 40 graphics and the Intel 13th Gen processor, making it the most potent at Check's Creator laptop. And with a pen, you'll work even more efficiently. The MSI Pen 2 uses the latest MPP 2.6 technology. It connects even faster to your laptop and gives haptic feedback, so it feels like writing on actual paper. And guess what? You can actually use it to write on actual paper.
If that's not enough, we bring you a wider selection of studio laptops built for creators. The studio laptops are certified by NVIDIA and deliver advanced productivity and capabilities for content creators. MSI's business and productivity laptops are designed for everyday life and business purposes. There are 3 series: Summit, Prestige, and Modern. From individual to enterprise, the laptops fulfill various demands and help you to excel in day-to-day work.